Welcome to week 3. First of all, I want to say a big well done to every single one of you who is still showing up, engaging, and doing the work. Trust me, your consistency is not going unnoticed. You've made it this far, and that alone is worth celebrating. Now that you've understood how to write content and connect with your audience, it is time to take things up notch a bit by learning how to plan and stay consistent, because showing up randomly is not strategy, intentionality is. Let's dive into the first part of this week focus: content calendar and planning. Content calendar and planning. Let's talk about content calendars. A content calendar is simply a plan, a roadmap that tells you the kind of content to post, when to post it, and what platform to post it. Why do you need a content calendar? You need a content calendar because number one, it helps you to stay consistent even when life gets busy. It helps you to avoid what should I post today moment. Days when you don't know what to post. Content calendar helps you to avoid that. It gives you an overview of your strategy. So your content tells a story and not random thought. You have your content strategy well planned, not just you coming online randomly to post. For this class, we'll be using Google Docs to build a content calendar, and after this class you'll be able to independently create a content calendar for yourself, or in anywhere you find yourself and you're asked to create a content calendar. We are using Google Docs because it is free. Number one, it is easy to use. You can access it from your phone and your laptop, and you can update it at any time. Here is how to set up your content calendar. I'll be explaining how to set up your content calendar, and I'll also be showing you in this video how to set up your content calendar on your phone or on your laptop. So open a blank Google Doc, create a simple table with this column: date, post type, content idea, content draft, hashtag, and notes. Then number 3, pick how often you want to post. Is it once daily, twice daily, thrice daily, once a week, twice a week, thrice a week? For the sake of this training, we're starting our challenge, consistency challenge, soon. So I'll advise you to put it 2 times daily, because that is the list that we're going to be posting 2 times daily. Just relax, we're coming to that. Fill out your content calendar at least 1 week in advance. However, for this, get prepared to fill out your content calendar 30 days in advance. 30 days in advance. All right, so example is where you have your date. For example, Monday, May 27. Your post type, storytelling. Under the content idea, you have something like how I found my niche, 3 lessons I learned from being a social media manager, or social media strategy, or a content writer, graphic designer, whatever you are. Content drafts, just the draft of your content. And then hashtags, just put the hashtags. This hashtag is very important. I know a lot of people don't use hashtag on LinkedIn, but hashtag is very important. Then notes, what is it? Are you using your throwback picture? Are you using graphics? Are you using something else? Are you using video? So this is your foundation for consistent content creation. So this is how to create this is how to create content calendar on your phone. This is Google Doc. So you click on your Google Docs, and then when you click on Google Docs, it brings you something like this. So you click on this plus button here, then click on create document. So you can type content or my May content calendar. Then click on create. So here, this is back button. When you want to undo something, you click on this. When you want to undo it again, you click on this. plus button if you want to add something here. Maybe you want to add a link, comment, or table. That's what, or you want to highlight something. That's what you click. This is where you have your words and everything. And so this is where we are going. You click on first when you get to Google Docs. First, set up your font. Click on this A button. It will bring something like this. Click on this. I love Merriweather a lot. If you like another one, you can choose. And at least your font should be size 12. I use between 12 or 14. So this is 12. Then you go back. So you can put your title in capital letter. May content calendar. Then you highlight it. Highlight this. When you highlight it, go back to that place. Increase it to 12. Why? Because it is the title. Bold it and underline it. This is, then click on this paragraph and click on center. This is to the extreme. This is justify alignment. This is left alignment. This is center alignment and right alignment. But we want center alignment, so put it at the center. Then you bring this one here. When you bring this here, when you click on down, so undo bold and undo online. So click here. Table. This is the table. So it is asking you that how many columns. So we are creating 6 number of columns and 7 rows. So you are creating 6 columns and the row is going to be 7 from Monday to Sunday. So you insert the table. That's weekly. You insert the table. Because I'm doing this on my laptop, we will not be able to see the table as it goes. On the first place here, we have the date. So you type the date in capital letter, highlight it and bold it. Then this second one, it is post type. You also highlight this and type it. So before you do this one, you can just bold. The one is content idea. The other one is caption draft. Bold it. This one, hashtags. Then just put notes here. So for example, here Monday, here is Monday, Monday May 7. If you're posting every day, so you just put Monday. Just for example, 27th May. Post type here, storytelling. Content idea. You can just put something like how I found my niche. Then caption drafts. Just caption draft. You can. You are not necessary. You don't necessarily have to put something in this caption draft. You might have written all your content, 30 days content separately in another file. So you don't need to put anything here, but you have put the title here. So you know that on Monday, this is the one that you are posting. Also the hashtag, you can just put hashtag social media strategy. That's my own hashtag. Then notes, maybe picture also. Let's say the notes would be throwback photo. That's what you're attaching to. So this is how it looks. So here I want to put it on page setup. It is pageless, but I'm putting it to page. I'm putting the size to be A4. What I did was click on these three dots, click on page, and click on page setup. Then it was pageless, then I put it on page and chose this one under paper size. So here I'm going to put print layout. So when I put print layout, this is how it's going to look like when I'm looking at it. So edit. So if it is on print layout, this is how you see it. So this exact one I will be showing you on my laptop how it looks. Hi guys, welcome back to our video. I want to show you the Google Docs that I created on my phone, how it's going to look like and how to access your Google Doc from your laptop. So from anywhere on your laptop, just go to Chrome, and this is my Chrome browser, and then here I clicked on Google app. Look at where I clicked on here, Google app. So I click on Google app. These are the Google apps. So you scroll down a bit. This is Docs here. Click on Google Docs. So under that Google Docs, here is where you have it, but I'm going to search for mail. Make sure that the email that you use on your phone to register your Google Docs is the same one you're opening on your laptop. So I'll click on mail content. My mail content calendar. Here is it, my mail content calendar. This is how it looks like on the laptop. So this is format. I'll click on format here right now. I want to switch it. Okay, it's already in page format. Okay, I'm trying to see why it's not, I can't see all. Okay, all right, so these are the things you can actually adjust this here. Yeah, let me try to look at the page format. Let me see the pageless format. Switch to pageless format. Okay, so look at it here. I'm trying to adjust it so that all the size can fit. I want to make sure the reason why it's extending beyond this place is because the pages are 6. So right now I'm thinking that we should reduce it to 5. Since we'll not be using this caption draft, let us remove the caption draft and make sure that it's just 6. Sometimes you just put date, even post type. Sometimes it doesn't need post type, just content idea, then caption. Even the hashtag is not necessarily needed because it will be on that post. So I'm trying to switch this to the other side. Yeah, this is where you find there's an arrow here, and then so this is how you have it. I want to create another table below this table. Let's take a look. So here, let's create another table below this table so that you know so use this new format to create your new table. Here is insert column table. So I'll just put 3 columns for the table. I'll put 3 columns and then 3 columns. So this will be date. Let me start with Control B, bold it, date. Okay, I'm moving this content topic, and date content topic, and then notes. Let's put notes. So date is, so let's put Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So content topic could be Monday motivation, Tuesday, how I found my niche. Three ways to create so on this note could just be this one will be graphics, or you just put poster, then here under this place you put throwback picture, throwback photo. This one could be carousels. So like that. This is, so use the format below for simplicity to create your content calendar. So here put date, or better still you could do like this. Up here you could put week 1. You know we are doing content calendar for 4 weeks, so you put week 1, and then bold it, Ctrl B and Ctrl U. You can also increase the font to 14, so put that as week 1. So if you want to do week 2, you can just copy all of this like this, click on Ctrl C, then come here, do like this, click on arrow, put this down, enter, then click on Ctrl V, paste it, then change this to week 2. Then your content topic change, you are going to have some changes here as well, so do that for week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Ctrl B for week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Just put the title of your content, the content topic, Ctrl B, and so this is it. Automatically saves on your I don't know why. Okay, this one is not bringing with Meriwether 12. So it automatically saves on your Google Docs. 10 years today, you still have it there. And that is it, doers. Remember that your content calendar does not have to be perfect. It just has to be useful. Planning ahead will give you more clarity, confidence, and peace of mind when it's time to show up. I'm proud of the intentional energy you are bringing into this process. Keep building that momentum, keep engaging in your accountability group, and most importantly, keep showing up, even if it's just one post at a time. You're not just learning content creation, you are building a brand. Drop your questions in the comment section. I'm going to be attending to them piece by piece as time goes on. And see you in the next class. Bye.